let me show you how Suparse can turn a pile of documents into clean, structured data. Here in the Quick Upload dashboard, we have ready-to-use schemas for receipts, bank statements, and invoices. But the real magic is that you can use AI to build a custom extraction schema for any document format you need. Today, let's process a batch of 10 receipts. I'll just select them from my computer and drop them right in. Instantly, Suparse gets to work, and once upload completes, brings us to the Documents view. In Status column, you can track the processing progress. This single view lets you search, export, and manage all your processed files. Look at that, they're already processed. Notice these green check marks. That means Suparse built-in validation verified line amounts match total. You can set up your own validation rules to verify accuracy even before you open the file. Let's take a closer look at one. Our side-by-side review interface makes it easy to verify the results. In the General tab, it perfectly captured the merchant name, date, and totals. For itemized data, the Table tab captured every single purchased item seamlessly. And under the Validation tab, you can see exactly how Suparse checked the subtotal against the grand total. Everything looks perfect. Let's get this data out. I'll head back to the list, select all 10 receipts with one click, choose Excel from our export formats, and hit Download. Suparse consolidates the data from all these separate files into one unified spreadsheet. Opening the file, and we have 10 receipts, fully digitized and ready for analysis or your accounting software. If you have other document types, need AI to auto-assign schemas, update the results in place, and more, watch our advanced tutorials. Try at suparse.com today and put your document processing on autopilot.